again. It's a redskin.
Hi, guys, welcome to our channel, The Pro Reviewer. In this video, we try to help you find out the best grill cleaners on the market. Based on our research and knowledge, I made this list and tried to find and list those items according to their quality and performance, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 1. CitruSafe BBQ Grill Cleaner. Keep the grill shining inside and out with CitruSafe BBQ Grill Cleaner. This all-purpose grill spray uses a citrus-based degreaser with a subtle scent to cut through moderate amounts of grease on the grates and add a fresh-smelling shine to the exterior of the grill. We liked that we didn't have to hold our breath to avoid a blast of chemicals. The biodegradable formula gives users an environmentally friendly option that can only be used on cold grills. For those who have time enough to wait for the grill to cool down to clean it, great. For those like us, though, who wind up cleaning it another day after the grease has set, the crusty stuff is harder to get off. Still, the solution contains D-limonene, which is safe for the grill, safe for the environment, and safe for the user, making this one of the best all-purpose grill cleaners for the environmentally conscious consumer. Number 2. Easy Off BBQ Cleaner. This grill cleaning product by Easy Off shouldn't be used on the exterior or interior of the grill because the powerful cleaning formula can damage stainless steel surfaces or the powder steel body of the grill. Instead, use the specialized cleaner on the grill grates only to ensure that any and all burned food, stuck on grease, and residual grime are removed within about 40 minutes after the spray foam has been applied. Usually, users can see grit and grime start to dissolve almost immediately. The grill cleaning product holds about 14.5 fluid ounces of solution, giving users a small stock of heavy-duty cleaner for the entire grilling season. We removed the grill grates and stuck them in a large tub before spraying them thoroughly, then used the hard spray setting from the hose to rinse them off. We then took them inside to the laundry room sink to wash with lemony dish soap and water to really make sure the chemicals were gone. Number 3. Therapy Stainless Steel Cleaner Kit. Eco-friendly, streak-free, and efficient at cutting through grease, Therapy Stainless Steel Cleaner is the best grill cleaner for the cook who uses their grill frequently but not every day. It features an entirely plant-based formula that makes it much safer than ammonia or bleach cleaners and comes with a large microfiber cloth that is perfect for cleaning a grill's smooth surfaces. We found that this stainless steel cleaner is amazing at removing streaks and grease spots from the exterior of a grill but is almost as good at cutting through the heavy grease on the interior of the grill. Intended for ongoing light-duty use, this grill cleaner is the best choice for the grill cook who is diligent about keeping the grill spotless between uses. It's not as effective if the grill is never cleaned or left outside uncovered. Don't expect this lavender-scented coconut oil blend to cut through a year's worth of grime. Do expect it to polish all the stainless steel surfaces and stainless steel appliances. We used it on everything in the kitchen, from the professional-grade stove, ovens, and refrigerator to the faucet. Afterward, we noticed that our fingers weren't leaving marks as they had before. Number 4. Parker & Bailey BBQ Grill Cleaner and Degreaser. Ensure that the tough grease, fat, and oil that has been built up throughout the grilling season can be easily removed by using this strong degreasing grill cleaner. It comes in a simple spray bottle with 24 fluid ounces of cleaning solution. This all-purpose spray can be used on the exterior and interior of the grill as well as the grill grates, drip pans, grill baskets, and any grill tools. It quickly breaks up baked-on food, grit, burned scraps, and other messes, while other cleaners are known for leaving behind streaks and oily residue. Parker & Bailey's Grill Cleaner has a completely non-stick formula that cleans the grill without creating more work for the user. However, it's important to use this cleaner in a well-ventilated area because the chemical formula can cause eye irritation. For those cooks who enjoy their grills on a frequent basis but loathe the cleaning part, this heavy-duty cleaner is a good choice. Number 5. Kona Safe Clean Grill Cleaner. One of the downsides of grill grate cleaners, even eco-friendly ones, is odor. For those who don't like strong ones, it's the first reason to like Kona Safe Clean Grill Cleaner. This water-based formula is practically odorless and fume-free, so we didn't have to worry about it irritating our eyes when we were using it. It's also non-flammable, non-corrosive, biodegradable, and free of phosphates. Packaged in a generous 23-ounce spray bottle, the formula is all-purpose. This means that it will degrease the interior and exterior of a grill, drip pan, barbecue tools, hood, and more, as well as take care of the crusted-over grill grates. We even used it on the wheels of the grill, which hadn't been cleaned in a long time. It works and is safe on a number of materials, including ceramic, porcelain, stainless steel surfaces, and tile, so users can clean a backsplash or outdoor prep area as well. It also works inside for ovens, air fryers, microwaves, and other appliances. Number 6. Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner. Goo Gone has specialized in removing glue, adhesive, and even caulking, so it may come as no surprise that its Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner is amazing at removing tough grease. Just keep in mind that it should still be used with appropriate personal protective equipment to prevent the user's eyes from becoming irritated while cleaning the grill. The citric acid in this biodegradable cleaner is an effective degreasing agent that comes with a strong orange smell, which makes using it far more pleasant than using products that give off a chemical scent that's strong enough to make eyes water. However, we realized after using it that we shouldn't have cleaned the grill before we were going to use it. As with other cleaners, this one should only be used on cool grill grates and interiors, and then they should be rinsed or users will smell the cleaner once it heats up. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Check the product link in the description below. I hope you find a suitable product for yourself. If you want this type of video in the future, please subscribe to the channel.